back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create an experiment. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this shelf. But first though, if you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and share the video with your friends or family members. Let's get started. So whenever you see popsicle sticks, I'm sure the first thing that comes to your mind is like lollipop, popsicle, ice cream. Those are things that probably come to your mind, but scratch that thought. What a way for people to create a shelf out of popsicle sticks. If you have seen my last video, you know that I'm building my workspace and I'm super excited about it. And in my last video, I showed you how I revamped my decks. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box and also in the card above. So please be sure to check it out. And in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to make this from popsicle stick. Really simple and really easy. So let's just get right to the video.
The first thing you're going to need is your popsicle sticks. This first set of popsicle sticks I got from a market in Lagos. The second one, which is the colored one, I ordered from AliExpress. And this third one I got from a vendor on Instagram. They come in different sizes. The next thing you're going to need is your glue gun. And the next thing you want to do is make a template. So this template is going to help you make the base of your shelf straight. It's optional if you do not want to do this. So I'm just going to be using this popsicle stick to draw out the hexagon shape for my shelf. If you do not want to draw out the shape, you could also just download a template off the internet. The next thing I did was to tape top and bottom of the hexagon shape. Now I started arranging the other sides of the shelf. After I arranged it, I started gluing them onto each other one by one. Then you want to follow the same process until you get the height of the shelf that you want. While making the shelf, I realized this and I'm just going to point it out to you so that you don't make the same mistake. So you want to ensure that the shelves are aligned on each other. They should be aligned on top of each other and not directly on top of each other. There has to be some form of base alignment. While arranging the sticks, you will notice some empty spaces. Those are the spaces you want to fill first. Then you keep doing that until you get to your desired height. I made two different shelves and two different sizes. The bigger one was about 83 sticks in total, while the smaller one was about 62 sticks, which is about 145 sticks in total that I used for the whole project.
Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this DIY. Will you be trying it out? Let me know. Also, if you have questions that you would like to ask me, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.